Hey guys, this is John Lee Hilliard Jr. coming to you today. This video will be about human capital. It took me, after reading this, hearing this word or phrase for so long and so many like wealth building books, financial books, I actually was like, man, what the heck is human capital? Me myself, as on my financial journey, hadn't really ran across it as much, but I've heard it several times, have read it several times, and so I decided, well, if I if I'm reading and researching what human capital means, I know it has to be more people that like me that didn't know what it means or don't know what it means. So this video today will be just that. So let's get into it, guys. So what I did, my definition for human capital, I'll read that, what I got from it, and then I'll read the actual definition if you were to Google it or look it up or something. So let's go ahead and get into it. So human capital, what I got, my understanding, the ability to create the material things that help me create wealth. That's my definition that I got from it. And then the actual definition says knowledge, skills, and health that people invest in and accumulate throughout their lives, enabling them to realize their potential as productive members of society. That's what it actually says. So, my definition may be a little skewed from yours or what you come up with or what that passage means for you, but perception is everything. So if I perceive it in a way that helps me be more productive and value serving others more, then of course you'll get my definition. But if you just say if you have a poor person's mindset and your mindset is, oh well, I don't want to, I don't want to do that. Like, can't the government just pay me to be at home, or I can just sign up for free money? I had a few people that tell me that I can just stay at home and get free money. I can I can go on welfare. The government will pay me. They'll give me food stamps. Yeah, but it's at a cost. What most people don't know. But again, those are, and when I mean poor people, I mean people with uh, poor mindset when it comes to money, when it comes to building something. It doesn't mean they're poor with the items that they have. Um, and you'll see the next few videos. They're all about people's perception of money, my perception of money, and when you hear me speak of wealth or rich, middle class or poor, understand when I'm saying rich, wealthy, middle class or poor, it's not about the items that people have. It's only their mindset. It's only the mindset. I don't care about what, because if you see me out and about, I'm mostly wearing my work clothes, my vest, and a company shirt. And maybe it's hot, it's 105. I may have some long pants if I'm moving to machines, or if I'm meeting a client, I may have, um, some short pants or long pants and a shirt. I may be dressed any kind of way. And you could easily look at me and be like, ah, that guy's poor. If you're only basing it off of material things. So when I speak of wealth and rich, it's only the mindset of those individuals. Um, One of my somebody had sent me some on Instagram or something, or somebody said it said like one of those little memes. He said I got a. It said having a Rolex watch isn't flexing if you have to look at it to tell what time your lunch break is over, something to that effect. And it just made me laugh. Like, why would you get a Rolex watch? Spend all that money on a Rolex just to have a Rolex? But you know, 10 years ago I had that mindset, so can't really knock it. But yeah, guys, this video, human capital, is essentially just you having the ability to create wealth for yourself. So thank you guys. Au revoir. A bientôt.